I recently dove into the world of electric pencil sharpeners to find the best options out there. Trust me, I know how frustrating it is to waste money on something that doesn't deliver. So I tested these products thoroughly and am here to share my honest review so you can make an informed decision.
Product number 1. X-Acto Mighty Might Electric Sharpener. Let me tell you about the X-Acto Mighty Might Electric Pencil Sharpener. The first time I plugged it in, I was struck by its compact design and sleek black finish. Sitting on my desk, it looked like a tool that meant business. I had just bought a pack of colored pencils and I was eager to see if it could handle the challenge. On my first attempt, I inserted a pencil and felt the sharpener's motor spring to life. The break-resistant feature was immediately evident. It created precise tips without any lead breakage. I was particularly impressed with the pencil saver feature, which prevented over-sharpening, something I often experience with conventional sharpeners. I could feel the tension dissipating as I watched my pencils retain their integrity. The safe start motor was another lifesaver. Once I removed the shaving bin, the sharpener halted, giving me peace of mind, especially with kids around. The easy-to-empty bin allowed me to maintain a clean workspace, and the fact that it could sharpen colored pencils was a fantastic bonus. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's compact and powerful, perfect for home, office, or school settings. The pencil saver ensures that your pencils last longer, and the design is user-friendly. However, it is corded, which may limit where you can place it. Overall, if you want a reliable sharpener that does its job well without overcomplicating things, the X-Acto Mighty Might is a solid choice.
Product number 2, Amazon Basics Portable Electric Pencil Sharpener. Next up is the Amazon Basics Portable Electric Pencil Sharpener. As someone who moves around a lot, the portability of this sharpener caught my eye immediately. It's compact, measuring just 2.87 by 2.87 by 5.3 inches, making it easy to toss in a bag. I powered it up using 4 AA batteries, but I also appreciated the USB option. It's versatile, so I could use it at my desk or on the go. The helical blade is a standout feature. It provides precision cuts that left my pencils sharp and ready for action. The automatic operation is pretty intuitive. Just hold the pencil and it does the rest. I didn't have to struggle with hand cranking or awkward positioning. The large shavings canister means less interruption, which is a huge plus. Now for the pros and cons. The dual power options offer flexibility, and the sharpener is lightweight and portable. However, it's essential to note that it's designed for standard graphite pencils only. So if you're into different materials, this might not be your best bet. If you're looking for an affordable, portable sharpener that gets the job done, this one is a great pick. Product number 3, Bow-Stitch Office Electric Pencil Sharpener. The Bow-Stitch Office Electric Pencil Sharpener impressed me right out of the box. Its heavy-duty design screamed reliability, and I was eager to test its capabilities. Setting it up was a breeze, and as soon as I plugged it in, the powerful motor was evident. Unlike other sharpeners I've tried, this one has an HHC cutter that sharpens pencils with incredible efficiency, lasting 4 times longer than standard models. I was amazed. It tackled both standard and colored pencils without any stalling, which had been a frustration with other brands. The giant shavings tray was another thoughtful feature, allowing me to sharpen multiple pencils without needing to frequently empty it. And let's not forget the safety switch. It's a comforting feature that ensures the sharpener won't operate unless the tray is securely in place. On the pros side, it's powerful, efficient, and has a robust design. The giant shavings tray is super convenient. However, it is a bit bulkier than other models, which might be a consideration if you're short on desk space. Overall, if you're looking for a sharpener that can handle heavy use, this Bow-Stitch model is worth considering. Product number 4. Bow-Stitch Office Electric Pencil Sharpener in blue. Honestly, I found the color refreshing compared to the standard black models out there. Beyond aesthetics, it shares many features with its black counterpart, including the powerful motor and HCC cutter for long-lasting sharpness. I loved how seamlessly it blended into my workspace while offering top-notch functionality. Just like the black version, it features a high-capacity shavings tray, which made my life easier during busy work sessions. What really impressed me was its space-saving design. It didn't take up much room on my desk, which is a plus when dealing with clutter. The safety switch is another thoughtful addition that ensures no accidents happen when the tray is removed. In terms of pros, it's stylish, effective, and space-efficient. However, the materials are primarily plastic, which might not appeal to everyone. If you want a sharpener with an appealing look that performs exceptionally well, this blue boss stitch option is a fantastic choice.
Product number 5. X-Acto School Pro Electric Pencil Sharpener. Last but not least is the X-Acto School Pro Electric Pencil Sharpener. This device means business, and I could feel that the moment I took it out of the box. It's designed for heavy-duty use, making it perfect for classrooms or home offices. The 6-size dial caught my attention since it accommodates nearly every pencil I could find. I loved the flyaway cutter that stops sharpening once the pencil reaches the ideal sharpness. No more guesswork, just perfect tips every time. The Safe Start motor is another feature that ensures safety when the bin is removed, which is crucial in a classroom setting. The XL shaving bin is a game changer, allowing me to sharpen multiple pencils without needing constant cleanups. The pros here are clear. It's robust, versatile, and efficient. However, its size might be a drawback for some who prefer a more compact model. If you're serious about your sharpening needs and want something that'll last, the X-Acto School Pro is a worthwhile investment. After testing these top electric sharpeners, I can confidently say that each one has its unique strengths. Depending on your needs, whether it's portability, power, or versatility, there's an option for you. Don't waste your money on subpar sharpeners. Choose one from this list, and you'll be well on your way to perfectly sharpened pencils.